Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install an app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives on Vivo Y21S. And to do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Here in the search, find app called RAR. Install it. When it's ready, click on the open. Allow to access and manage all files and go back. Allow to send notifications and dismiss this one. From here the app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.